Hello students, today we are going to discuss the orientation influence of groups in benzene. Already we have discussed that the chemical properties of benzene. Benzene generally shows electrophilic substitution reaction because it has a pi electron cloud, that's why it attracts electrophiles. Generally aromatic compound shows electrophilic substitution reaction. But if the particular group is attached to benzene, when the electrophile will be substituted in benzene, the next substitution, second substitution, third substitution or fourth substitution will be occur in which place? Then it depends upon the group attached to benzene. What type of groups attached to benzene? It depends. It is responsible the next substitution in the benzening. For examples, let us discuss this. This is the group. Here, the group is attached to benzene if it is supplying electrons. If this group is supplying electron towards the ring, this group supplying electron towards the ring, that means electron density in the ring increases. So this type of group is called electron donating group. This is called electron donating group. I supply electron toward the ring, so it is called electron donating group. When electron donating group is attached, then I supply electron, means this pi electron will be shifted to this carbon. Then this pi bond will be shifted to this carbon. So this is, this position is called ortho position, and this is also ortho position. This is your para position. So ortho position and para position is more electron density. So what happens when the next electrophile is attached? Then electrophile will prefer to attack at ortho or para. So the product will be, this is your group. So either ortho position will attach or it will attack at para position. So these two positions will be preferable position for the attacking of the groups, where ortho position and para position. Because electron donating groups increases electron density at ortho position and para position. That's why next electrophile attack at ortho and para. This case depends upon the group. If the group is a attracting group means electron attracting group. If electron attracting group is there, then electron will shift towards the group. So here will be plus charge produced. The next displacement here plus charge is produced. That means ortho position and para position gets more positive charge due to electron attracting group, or electron is also called electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group or attracting group. Then electron density ortho position, para position is less. That's why electrophile attack at which position? Meta position. So the product will be meta. This is your group. So the preferred position is correct position at meta position. So this is the meta product, this is your ortho product, this is your para product. So that means we got the conclusion that electron donating groups gives ortho para product and electron withdrawing groups gives meta product. So electron donating groups also called activating groups. It is also called activating groups because it increases electron density. So next electrophile, the electron density increases, so attacking of electrophile will be more. Similarly, electron withdrawing group, it decreases electron density, that's why it is called deactivating groups. So there are two names, electron donating groups, that is called activating groups, and electron withdrawing group, This is called deactivating groups. Deactivating groups. So there are two groups in benzene, two groups attached to benzene. One is electron donating groups, another is electron withdrawing group. Electron donating group is activate the rings because it supply electron, that's why electron density increases, so the reactivity of the benzene increases. But electron withdrawing group, as electron density decreases, so reactivity of benzene decreases. So these are two types of group. On the basis of nature of groups, the substitution takes place at ortho position, para position or beta position. So what are electron withdrawing group? What are electron donating group? Let us discuss. So electron donating groups, here electron donating groups, this is called activating groups. These activating groups, what are the activating groups? Generally, the activating groups are generally, first group is, these are activating groups and these are called ortho. These are ortho para directing group. These are called ortho para directing groups. Order of reactivity, if O minus is there, then reactivity of benzene will be very fast. The reactivity increases. Then NR2, then NHR, NH2, OR, OR, OHOR, NHCOR, OCOR, that is ester. Then R means alkyl group, aromatic groups, vinyl groups, fluorine group. These are the order of reactivity of the electron donating group attached to benzene. Then what are the electron attracting groups? Electron withdrawing groups. These are also called deactivating groups. It decreases electron density in the ring. What are these electron deactivating groups? These are meta directing groups. These are meta directing groups. So there are two types of groups. One is electron activating groups, that is activating group, electron donating groups. These are the order of reactivity of these groups. And these are electron withdrawing group, that is minus I effect. We can say it is a minus I affecting groups. This is called plus I affecting groups. Plus I affecting group means they supply electron towards the ring and they removes electron from the ring. When the electron removes from the ring, reactivity decreases and the product is meta substituted products. Next substitution will be at meta position. But at electron donating group, result is orthopara. Already we have discussed electron withdrawing groups and electron donating groups and electron withdrawing group. Donating group gives orthopara product and electron withdrawing group produce meta product. So this is regarding the different types of groups attached to benzene. One is activating groups, one is deactivating groups. Deactivating groups decreases the reactivity of benzene and activating group increases the reactivity of benzene because the supply electron density increases. So these are the different types of group. Now we will discuss the different types of substitution, that is second substitution, third substitution or fourth substitution will take place at which position if these two types of group attached to benzene. Okay, so you complete this one, then we will start the next. So if the group is either electron donating group, if electron donating group is there, for example, if this is benzene, then suppose this is your methyl. Methyl is electron donating group. So the next substitution, suppose let it be nitration, Na2 plus electrophile. The substitution will be at ortho position or para position, either ortho position or para position. if it is electron donating groups. But if it is a electron withdrawing group, then substitution occur at electron withdrawing group. Suppose it will be nitro group. Let it be nitro group. If nitro group is there, next nitration or halogenation, let it be halogenation, X plus. X plus will occur at meta position. This is nitro group. The group remaining same, only the electrophile attack at meta position. So this is the meta product, this is your ortho product, this is your para product. So it depends upon the group. Here group is electron donating groups produce ortho and para. If electron withdrawing group, the next substitution at meta. Already we have discussed depending upon the nature of groups. So this type of substitution, that is called second substitution. Second substitution in benzene ring occurs at ortho, para or meta. So three types of substitution: ortho position, para position, meta position. Ortho para position only observe in case of electron donating groups, and meta substitution occur in place of electron withdrawing group. But now we'll discuss that the substitution, if third substitution. If third substitution, if it is the group is electron donating groups, both are. Suppose if group is present here, CH3 group and Cl group, both are there. Electron here, it is also electron donating groups, it is also electron donating groups, both are there. So in this case what happens, if both are electron donating groups, the next substitution occurs, suppose nitration occurs. Always prefer position is at ortho position. Next case is, suppose the group is like this, one is electron donating, another is electron attracting group is there. Here electron methyl is electron donating groups and nitro is electron attracting. If one is electron donating, another is electron attracting, this case next substitution occurs. Suppose let me substitution is plus, so next substitution occurs at preferable to electron donating groups. If one is electron donating, another is electron attracting, the next substitution will occur the nature of electron donating groups. Here remember, methyl group will be more reactive towards nitro groups, because electron donating group and attracting group means always, as it is electron substitution reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction always preferable to electron donating groups. So electron donating methyl, so it prefer the next substitution will occur at, this is your methyl group, this is your nitro groups, next substitution X will occur at this position, para to methyl and ortho to methyl, ortho to methyls, this position, because methyl will be more reactive towards nitro groups. In case of one is electron donating, here electron donating groups and electron withdrawing groups, if both are there, then next substitution, third substitution occur at ortho para position of the electron donating groups. So this is the fourth case. Then fifth case will be like this. Here one is both are electron donating, one is electron donating, other is electron attracting. The next substitution we will take that both are electron attracting. When both are electron withdrawing group, when both are electron withdrawing groups, then let it be examples. So this is the group. So this is your CN group and this is your CH group. Here what happens? One is both are electron withdrawing group, CN group and CSO group. Here next substitution occurs. Let it be nitration. Let it be nitration. Nitration occurs. It depends upon the reactive electron attracting group. As electron attracting group is CN, CN is greater than CHO. Already we have discussed the order of reactivity. As CN group is more reactive than CHO group compared to the substitution. So CN group meta position we prefer. As electron withdrawing group is always gives meta substituted product. So CN is more reactive than CHO. CHO will be fixed and CN will be fixed. Meta position of CN will prefer. CN meta position is this position. So NO2 will prefer. This is the position, or this position also occur. CN, CHO, and meta position of CN is this one, NO2. This occur. If the group is like this, if both group is there, suppose this is your CN, this is your CHO. Here already meta position is occupied by CHO. Then the next substitution will occur meta position to CN groups, because CN is more reactive than CHO. So CN meta position is this one. So this is the preferable position for third substitution. CN, CHO already there. So meta to this is your third substitution. So we have to see the nature of group attached to the benzene ring. And if already, let me revise this one. If both are electron donating groups, then methyl is more reactive towards chlorine. So the next substitution will depend upon methyl group position. As methyl group here, so para position this, ortho position is this. So nitro this one position or this position. If both are, if one is electron donating, other is electron withdrawing or attracting, then always the position will be considered for electron donating groups. Electron donating group position is your methyl. Methyl electron donating means next substitution will occur at para or ortho to methyl group. Here this is para, this is your ortho, this is your para to methyl groups. If both are electron withdrawing groups, then the next substitution occur. It depends upon the reactivity. Already we have discussed the order of reactivity of electron donating group, electron attracting group. Cyanide is more than CHO group. Or you see the order already you have written. As CN is more reactive than CHO, and both are electron attracting group, always take the next substitution always occurs at meta position. So CN is more reactive than CHO. CN meta position is NO2. This position, and this side also ortho position, meta position. So this possible product is found. If the position of other group is changing, suppose CN is here and third position is CHO, then as CN is more reactive than CHO, the meta position of CN is here is already covered by CHO. So this position is free. So this position occupied by NO. Always gives the as electron withdrawing group, result is meta substituted product. Electron donating group, and depends upon the nature of electron donating group. A more reactive electron donating group gives the correct results. Next substitution occur depends upon the reactivity of electron donating group. So these are some important concepts regarding the electrophilic substitution reaction of monosubstituted, disubstituted, similarly trisubstituted benzene. So you have to see this nature of group attached to the benzene ring, whether electron donating or electron attracting. If both are electron donating, then you have to take the reactivity order. As per that, you will substitute. If both are electron withdrawing group, then you have to see the reactivity order. If one electron donating, other is electron attracting, always prefer electron donating group. And you put the position, you fix the substituent at ortho and para position of the electron donating. Suppose methyl and nitro, methyl ortho position is this one and methyl para position is this one. So you will not consider the electron withdrawing group. If one is electron donating group, another electron withdrawing group, always consider electron donating group position. So these are the important concept regarding the orientation influence of groups in benzene ring. You practice, any doubt we can discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you all.